The gods conceal from men the happiness of death, that they may endure life. Lucan. Greetings, mortals. I'm your host Simon, and you are watching the Library of Gnosis. In this brief video, I want to extrapolate on the creation of the gods, and what aspects they incarnate. Source, or the One, divides itself and emanates the lesser divinities, like light through a prism. The gods are archetypical fractals of the One Mind, each holographically containing the whole. One Hermetic maxim states, "While all is in the all, it is equally true that the all is in all." The gods are most often associated with fundamental aspects of elemental nature or the human psyche, like love and wisdom, or wind and thunder. By aligning themselves with these aspects, the gods serve as archetypes, representing profound and universal concepts that shape and influence the world around us. They embody the interplay between the natural world and the human experience, functioning as a symbolic bridge between the two realms. We have to remember that the universe is mental in nature. Hermes is the closest emanation to Source because he incarnates opposites, signifying a harmonious integration of seemingly contradictory elements within his nature. Just like the One, or Source, his nature encompasses seemingly contradictory elements, and yet he harmoniously integrates them within himself. This integration symbolizes a transcendence of duality and the realization of unity within diversity. It points to the idea that the divine essence is not confined by dualistic notions, but encompasses the entire spectrum of existence. The color of gold is attributed to Hermes because it symbolizes the embodiment of white light. One of the alchemical symbols for gold is a circle with a dot in the center. This is also the symbol that represents the sun, and in Jungian psychology, it is the symbol for the self. White light, the prime light, contains all colors of the rainbow, and thus, by extension, represents the totality of existence and creation. Hermes is represented by the squaring of the circle. The squaring of the circle is a geometrical problem that involves constructing a square with the same area as a given circle, using only a compass and straight edge. It is considered an unsolvable problem in Euclidean geometry, because pi is a transcendental number, meaning that it's infinite, making the task impossible to accomplish. The squaring of the circle is one of the many archetypal motives which form the basic patterns of our dreams and fantasies. But it is distinguished by the fact that it is one of the most important of them from the functional point of view. Indeed, it could even be called the archetype of wholeness. C.G. Jung. By associating Hermes with this symbolic concept, it implies that he possesses the capacity to bridge seemingly incompatible elements, such as chaos and order, or the masculine and feminine. His Sephiroth is female in nature, but he is always depicted as male, giving us a clue as to how he is a god of liminality, and how he balances the left and right brain, the anima and animus, and how he does the impossible and miraculous. By embodying these opposing archetypes, Hermes reflects the integration of the unconscious and conscious aspects of the self. His ability to accomplish the impossible and perform miracles highlights his transformative and transcendent qualities. Now we are coming to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this short extrapolation. Please leave a comment below. I love reading your comments. Also, please go support me on Patreon if you find my work valuable. I'll see you in the next video, mortals.